Hi guys, welcome back to Forex Guides TV. I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded a video and guys, I've just been caught up and busy with some other stuff, but nonetheless guys, we are back. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell, and please leave a comment down below because I'd really love to hear what you guys have to say. So guys, since it's been a while, I've decided, okay, let me analyze just EURUSD, USDZAR, as well as a bonus with gold, guys. So I've been checking out gold and it's been doing very well, so I'd like to just share my analysis on that. So we'll get to gold right now. Let's get into EURUSD. So right now we're on the daily time frame, guys, and I've also been trading EURUSD. I've also been trading EURUSD. So on the daily time frame, guys, and as you can see, price this must load. Okay, yeah, price has been going down. Price has been bearish in the long term. So as you know, those of you who are my regulars know that I trade patterns for me just play out. So right now we are in a descending pattern as well. Let me just show you guys something. Okay, but this is more of a long term, guys. This is more of a long term. I just like sharing what I see for the future, because it just helps understand where the market is going. So we're possibly in the longer term, guys, we're possibly looking for a sell, but yeah, let's focus on the present. As I said, we're on the daily and we're trading within the outer pattern, guys, and so far so good. I've been looking for just short-term buys. If there's a buy opportunity, I was just looking for a short-term buy, but overall the long-term move is to the downside. We're looking to get sales all the way to this low. So let's now move to the H4 time frame and see what is going on there. See any opportunities for next week, any opportunities we can capitalize on. Yeah, still the same. H4 time frames also in confluence with the daily time frame in terms of direction, guys. So we're looking for sales. At the moment there's nothing here, there's just nothing here, there's nothing really here. So I think we should move on to 1 hour time frame and see what we can get from there. 1 hour time frame is also in confluence with the H4 and the daily in terms of direction. In terms of the long-term direction is to the downside, guys. So now that we know what the long-term direction is and it's in confluence with the daily time frame and the higher time frame. Oh, sorry about that, let me just grab my charger quickly. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Yes, we are back. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get back into this analysis. Yeah, as I was saying, we're in confluence. The daily time frame, H4 time frame and H1 time frame is also in confluence in terms of the long-term direction is a sell. and those of you know I like trading. I usually take trades on 1 hour and sometimes on 15 minutes, depends if I see a very good setup, very good setup that I just want to be in and out, and then I move back to the H1 time frame. Okay, so now let's just focus on what's going on here. So price has been moving impulsively here. Price moved impulsively, né? And I was actually anticipating a continuation pattern somewhere here, but that didn't play out. But that didn't happen. Price then started to move correctively. Price started moving correctively right there. So let's just try to make out what is happening here. Remember, the market moves impulse correction and impulse correction. So here let's just try and see what is happening. So what I can see, okay, let me just change this. Yeah, so what I can see here, guys, I can see a not continuation but a reversal pattern, and let me just draw it out. Yeah, this is a descending pattern. This is a descending pattern, guys. Descending reversal pattern. Yeah. This is a reversal descending pattern. So what I'm looking for right now is that price might break out of this pattern and give us a short-term buy, which I think I'll enter because it looks good. It looks like it's going to be a good short-term buy. Like I said, guys, sometimes I usually take trades on 1 hour, but if I see that, okay, from the 1 hour I can move down to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the lower time frame I end at. I don't go lower than 15 minutes. It's either 1 hour or 15 minutes. Those are the two time frames I like taking my trades on. So yes, let's get back into this. EURUSD, this is a reversal pattern, and I think we're gonna get a short-term buy, and probably I'm anticipating price to go back and reach this zone here, this zone there, before it continues to the downside. This resistance zone, support and resistance zone. So let's go back to 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. I mean, not back to, let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, let me just see if this zone is catered for properly. Okay, it's fine, it's not a problem. Yeah, as I said, guys, you see now it's much clearer. This is a descending reversal pattern. So this is what I'm looking forward to next week. I'm looking for price to break out and give me an entry pattern. It can be a flag, can be whatever. Then I'm just gonna catch this buy, short-term buy all the way until these highs, and then at these highs, I mean resistance, previous support, now resistance, I'll be looking for sells to continue the long-term move to the downside. As we saw, daily time frame, H4 time frame, H1 time frame is in confluence. They're all heading to the downside. So 15 minutes, I'm just looking to catch this short-term buy and then when price gets here these highs excuse me, I'll be looking to catch the continuation sells. So yeah, that's it for EURUSD, guys. I hope you guys are good and seeing what I'm seeing, and if you're seeing something different, it's okay, we're all learning. Please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And guys, remember, these are not signals, this is just how I view and see the markets and how I analyze the markets because of my trading style. I hope somewhere somehow it fits with yours, or if it doesn't, but then you see what I see and you can all capitalize and get trades. So now let's go to USDZAR. Let's go to USDZAR. Let me go to the daily time frame. So guys, if you've watched my previous videos on USDZAR, I think it's safe to say that USDZAR has been playing out as anticipated. It's just that it changes here and there, but remember guys, as I said in the previous video, you just need to adjust. You adjust. Maybe patterns might change here and there. Patterns might change here and there, but then they're probably gonna give you the same thing. It's just a different pattern, but which means the same thing. That's why I like trading patterns, guys. That's why I like trading trading patterns. So on the daily time frame, you can actually see, okay, this is actually a rising type pattern, so which indicates continuation as well, which indicates continuation. So actually looking for this move, this leg, long leg to come. Hopefully it will come. Hopefully it will come. And like I said, that's just more of a long term guys, long term, maybe next 2 years or something. But we'll see. Right now let's just focus on what's happening here. If you watched the previous video, I did say USDZAR is a buy. Well, I had two probabilities. If it gives you a sell, you sell. Turns out that sell was not ready at the moment, but I also said we're gonna look for buys. Okay, the buy is playing out. The buys played out actually, and we'll just continue with buys. I think I'm gonna continue with buys, but let's move on to H4 just to get a view of what is happening. Just to get a view of what's happening. Okay, now let's just move to H1. As you can see, I already had my analysis because I was just looking at this later during the day, and I was like, okay, let me just, since it's been a while since I've recorded USD ZAR video, let me just record what I have here. So as you can see, price gave us a when bullish, went up, price went up, then reverse, gave us a young double top nyana, give us a double top, went to go retest the previous resistance, now support, and it went up again, and then it didn't break the previous highs, because now we can see give us a triple bottom. Price now give us a triple bottom, guys. So what I'm looking at, let me just, okay, let me just, sorry about this. Yeah. So now what I'm looking at is to actually catch this sell. The reason why I say that, because one, we have a triple top, price gave us a nice impulse correction, which is a continuation pattern, and then now I'm anticipating price to go to the downside to these lows here. That's what I'm looking for. And once price gets to these lows, I'll be looking for buys. I'll be looking for buys all the way to this high, because okay, first touch, second touch, third touch, now it's gonna be the fourth touch. So it's gonna give us more confidence that okay, this support trend line is holding strong, and price is respecting this pattern. And also at the highs, this will be our first touch. This will be our second touch, and once price gives us that buy from this low, the buys from this low, it will then give us our third touch. And you know that at the third touch, guys, the trend line is confirmed. Is confirmed. So also this will also mean that the wedge is the rising wedge is complete. So guys, and then hopefully let me just move to H4. So guys, hopefully we can look for those sells here, and then also wait for a breakout and look for sell all the way. So guys, I actually gave you short-term trades, medium trades, and long-term trades. 3 trades in USDZAR. So guys, I hope you see how I go about looking at the market, guys. Oh, you guys see how I go about looking at the market. Let's go back to H1. So for next week, I'll definitely be looking to catch this sell. I'll be looking to catch this sell. I hope price plays out. I hope price plays out, because guys, remember, when you trade, guys, you trade your setups. If your setups don't play out or they get invalidated, you don't force the market. There's no way you can force the market. All you can do is just wait on the sidelines, because either way, look at it this way, you won't be in a trade, you won't be which means you are not losing money or you're not making money, but you'll still have your account intact. So yeah guys, if this does not play out and it decides to do some other things, guys, I'm just gonna watch, look at it, and then I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna take a break from trading USDZAR. So guys, yeah, now for the last pair which I promised you guys, the bonus pair, which is gold. Gold, I removed all my analysis because I just wanted to start it from fresh with you guys so that you can see how I actually, from the beginning, how I start to look at these pairs. So I usually I usually don't start by monthly, but I just want to see what is going on. Okay. Okay, let's go to weekly. Yeah, now that everything is widely open, spread, I mean, cool. Okay, as you can see, this is impulse, correction, and impulse. That's what it seems like. All right, when you just look at it from the start, this is what it seems like when you just look at it from the start. Okay, so I actually see a pattern here, guys. And I'm able to recognize this pattern so easily because I've back tested, went through them so many times, made notes. You know how it's like being a beginner trader. You go through everything. You want to make sure that you apply yourself accordingly. Okay, this might be a bit far-fetched, but it's what I see. It's what I see and what the market is presented to me. So this is actually an expanding pattern, but you won't see these when we move down to the lower time frame. You won't see this price action here. So this is just for me personally. So yeah, like I said, I want you guys to see how I start analyzing from the start. Okay, 1 week we can see. Okay, okay, wait a minute. Let me rather, because I want to cater for this touch as well. Let me rather do it like this. Gosh, guys, I don't know what's wrong with my throat, so I'm sorry if you keep hearing me try to clear my throat. I don't know what's wrong with my throat, guys. Okay, now it doesn't make sense anymore. Now it does not make sense anymore. Okay, then let me just do this. Try to see if this will. All right, okay, now it makes a bit of sense. And remember, this is just the weekly time frame. Okay, now it makes a bit of sense. It's been respecting this trend line. Respected here and here again. Oh, okay, so if it does give us a sell, probably anticipate that we respect here as well, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, now let's get right into it. Let's dive into this thing. Daily time frame. Let me just adjust a bit. Just so cater for the most touches. All right, guys, we are all good. Right now, let's focus here. So price gave us an impulse. Okay, right now guys, we just want to focus here on what's going on here and here as well. So price gave us an impulse, touched that high, and now it's moving correctively. So the next move, probably it's an impulse, but that's more long term. I think it might change. I think the outer pattern might change. It might change, yeah, but we'll see guys. Probably think it might change, but right now we're just trying to analyze for now and try to catch trades now. All right, so yeah. Okay, so here guys, I also see, okay, I see a pattern as well. If I do that, I see a pattern. I wanna catch, okay, let me rather also cater for these. Wow, okay guys, I hope you guys were able to spot this before I even pointed it out. Before I even pointed it out. Okay guys, this is usually a continuation pattern. So now now that we have that done, our outer pattern done, let's focus on what's happening right here. Let's focus on what's happening right here. Let me move down to H4 time frame and see what is happening. Okay. I hope you guys can see this pattern as well. There's a reversal pattern here as well. So let's just plot it out. Let's see head and shoulder here, head and shoulder here, head and shoulder here, and this is at the low of the outer pattern. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Okay guys, what I see here, I see two probabilities here actually. One is that price gonna break out, two, price is going to reverse. It's going to reverse at these highs, because besides this head and shoulder guys, I also see another pattern which I trade usually, so which is also going to confirm the sell. But firstly, since we have the first head and shoulders, let's look at the buy. Let's see the probability of a buy, of price breaking out and continuing to the upside. So what we have here is a head and shoulders. So if price breaks out guys, if price breaks out, let me just try to see if there's a zone. Just try to identify a zone. Okay, do this nicely. yeah. What do I do now? Sorry for this, guys. Sorry about this, guys. Streak, it's moving away from me. Okay, no. This zone, let me remove this zone here. So if we're gonna be looking for buyers, guys, gonna wait for price to break out. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for price to break out and give me continuation. Breakout, retest. My first targets will be here. My first targets will be there, and then okay, let me just draw. All right, I think it's fine like this, guys. So now we're just gonna continue. Let me switch to H1 so that we have more space here. So those are my zones there. Let me draw this. So yeah, guys, so if price breaks out, remember price gave us a reversal head and shoulders, here, and if it breaks out, right, guys, we're gonna buy. We'll be looking for buys. Remember, two probabilities, a buy and a sell, but right now we just want to cover for the buy. We're covering for the buy. So we have confluence, head and shoulders. Price gave us a head and shoulders. Price gave us a head and shoulders. I just want to mark this 1. Price gave us a head and shoulders. Okay, head and shoulders, and then 2. If price breaks out and gives us a nice retest, our first targets will be here. These are the first targets, guys. These are the first targets. Let me just try to put my long position. These will be our first targets. This will be our first targets, guys. And again, if it continues, guys, if it continues, break the previous high, the zone, and gives us another retest or an entry pattern, guys, we take it up again. We want to buy again. We shall buy again. We shall buy again. This is 3. We shall buy again until this high. And then, guys, again 4. This is number 4. Does the same thing. Breaks this previous high, this resistance zone, retests or give us an entry pattern continuation pattern, whichever one, or gives you your entry buy signals, you can take it all the way to this, all the way to the upside, guys. You can take it all the way to the upside, guys. So guys, you see, it's like a ladder actually. You're climbing up, you're climbing up, you're climbing up, and then cha. So yeah, guys, if it breaks out, guys, I'll just continue looking for buys, and I hope it respects and moves accordingly. Because one thing I've realized, guys, is that you just need to wait for price to give you what you want. Like I said, guys, in USDZAR, if price doesn't give me what I want, then I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna do anything. So you need to wait for price to give you what you want. That's when I think you'll get confidence in your trading strategy or your trading style, is that the market always gives you what you want. And if it does that, guys, you must kill. You must capitalize and you must kill. Apply proper risk management and you must kill the market, guys. Okay, that's it for the buy. This is for the buy, guys. Now let's look for the sell. I think let me just remove everything here quickly, guys. Bear with me so that now we can look for the sell. I hope you guys are good. The year is almost over, but you can still achieve your trading goals, guys. The year is not over yet. Look at it this way: if you end the year strong, next year you can know, okay, you can relax a bit but still following your I don't know, your flow or your goals or whatever, guys. Just try to end the year strong so that next year January comes, you can now have a bigger plan, bigger goal of what you want to achieve and things like that, guys. Because I truly believe, guys, that if you just follow your trading rules, be disciplined, you can have whatever you want, guys. This market is it's full of abundance, guys. You just need to be disciplined and follow your rules, because you might find that someone is very good at analyzing. When they backtest, everything is smooth, everything is well, you get confidence in from backtesting. But when it comes to applying what you've learned and backtested on the live account, we tend to forget, or we just tend to maybe let greed get a hold of us, which is a bad thing, guys. Which is a bad thing. But we will learn from it. Remember, in Forex we learn from our lessons and we improve. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour. Now we're looking for the sell. Now we're looking for the sells. Like I said, guys, I like trading patterns, and I can see here, I said the reason why I would be looking for a sell is because I see one of my patterns that I usually trade. I see one of the patterns I usually trade. I see one of the patterns I usually trade. Okay, just want to get rid of those lines. So yeah, I'd be looking for a sell because of this pattern here. And I think, guys, is there a double top here as well? double top, and you can see I think it's a reversal candle pattern. So yeah guys, let me try and stretch out this zone and see if, yeah, no, this is good. This is good guys, this is really good. Cater for this zone. This is really good guys, and usually for me, if I see these patterns together with a zone, either support or resistance zone, yo guys, I apply proper risk management and I go hard. Guys. I'll be looking for these cells all the way until this low, guys. That's the cell. So it's pretty much simple and straightforward. As you guys know, for my previous viewers, my regular viewers, I meant to say, if you check, my trading style is very simple. It's not too complicated. I use the structure of the market, and then within the structure of the market, I identify the chart patterns I use and the direction next, and then I look for my entries. Those three guys, stick to those three: structure of the market, identify chart patterns, and then I look for direction and entry. Then I look for my direction and entry, guys. So that's it for the sell. That's what I'll be looking forward to if I were to catch the sell. So yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'm glad you've made it this far, and I hope I didn't confuse you guys. I hope you're still on track with me. Please leave a comment down below in the comment section. Do like, do subscribe, click on that notification bell, share this channel guys. This is for educational purposes, and guys, these are not signals. Don't take these things as signals. No, remember, I always say this is how I see the market, how I view the market, and if it matches somewhere somehow with your strategy, then it's a bonus, it's a win-win guys. So yeah, that's it from me, Forex Guides TV. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell. Until the next video guys, have a blessed and good trading week next week guys, and let's kill the market. Be patient, be disciplined. Let's push, try to end this year off on a high note guys. Peace, bye.